I need to get my power set up here. So basically here's the closest power pole. What I'm going to set up here is a disconnect pole, because where I'm at, it's the easiest way is to set up a disconnect and run your own power from there. Don't have to deal with all the inspections and crap. So basically I talked to the guy from the power company and he told me I could put one anywhere right through here. So I'm thinking about setting it. Honestly, I'm thinking about like right in here maybe, but I'm not really sure here. So, because I could put it right in here, and I think looking through the trees here, that will give me a pretty straight shot straight to the house. So, I got my tractor here with the brush hog, so we're just going to plow through some of this brush because it'll be underground from the disconnect to the house. So I just need to find a good straight shot through here where I don't have to take down any trees or anything. So let's get to running over some brush. So I'm wanting to set the power pole right about where the tractor is here. And then right through here, it went from forest to a nice open shot. So basically you can see the house right there. And that one tree's right in the way from my straight line. But that's fine, it needs to come down anyways. So I'm basically wanting to bring that right through here. And then while I'm digging this, there's a couple old stumps here. So get all them out, kill two birds with one stone, and that should pretty much run straight through. Of course, I could probably move it over here a little bit and still have it pretty much straight through. So that shouldn't be too bad. Shouldn't be too bad at all. But yeah, the tractor does a good job with this stuff. So and then hopefully once I get the line buried, I'll let all this grow back up like it was. It's nice privacy. So now I'm gonna get the tape measure out to see how much cable I need to buy. Okay, so just got my power poles. Actually, I only need one, and I'll probably use this shorter one here because it's in a lot better shape. So I guess I could spend a whole day with post hole diggers digging a hole for this, but we're smarter than that. So let's go get the tractor. I'm gonna get some gravel around this, mixed with some dirt, should pack it in real good. Hopefully. This way. Okay, got the power pole set and all of the dirt tamped down around it real good, so it seems to be pretty solid. So all they gotta do, they'll put a transformer there and then run a line, but before they do that, I gotta put my disconnect and all that on. So we will come back and do that another day. And there we have it. We got the disconnect installed, so now we're just waiting on the power company. They'll come out and look at it and be good to go. So then after that, we'll dig us a trench, hook the power up to the house. So that'd be pretty sweet. So I've been working a little bit on the trailer here. I got the wheels painted, got a couple boards screwed down. Here's the thing I was talking about that put the piece of metal in, and I have the piece of metal. It's just cut and ready to go. I just have it inside drying where I painted it. So I've been working on that, and I also bought this air compressor, so that'll be an upcoming video. So we gotta put a motor on it, but that ain't no big deal. I'm gonna upgrade this trailer a little bit too, so that'll be a future video. But guess I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up here, so we'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good day.